you guys, welcome to Janeah's journey. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're used to me, what's up? Alright, I'm so glad you guys tuned in. Please hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell if you want to see new videos of me every week. So today we're going to be doing like a get your clothes ready for school, get your look together, outfit preparation. I don't actually know what I'm going to call this video, but you guys will see. You guys already know. And that's what it's going to be. So yeah, we're going to just pick out some clothes for school. I start school tomorrow, the 26th. So yeah, exactly. I'm going to just give you guys a couple of my tips. So starting with shopping on a budget. First of all, shopping on a budget. You do not have to splurge and spend all your money and go broke over getting new clothes and stuff like that for the school year. I understand everybody wants to look cute and fresh for the new semester, for the new year, of course. So I do suggest getting a couple things, but I suggest doing it smart. So some stores that I personally shopped at for this upcoming semester, I shopped at Ross, Burlington. I did a little bit at Forever 21, but they were mainly trying to get rid of their summer stuff, so there wasn't really anything in there that I needed. I did American One, and what else? Yeah, exactly, that was it. Oh, and I did get 2 pair of shoes from Journeys, but that's not the part of the budget part because that was a little pricey. But anyways, so we're gonna just get into this. So yeah, go to discount stores. You don't have to go to any high-end stores. The clothes are super cute and they are affordable, like they're inexpensive, so you can spend even like 50-60 bucks in Ross and come out with like almost 10 things, depending on what you want. You know, depending on what you get, you can probably come out with like 10 things from Ross for 50 or 60 bucks. So another tip of mine is getting staple products. Get like some, like 2 or 3 pairs of like super cute jeans, like 5 super cute shirts. You know, get some staple jewelry if you're into that. I'm not really a jewelry person, but I do like earrings, so I invest in like super cute earrings because that's what I'm into. I don't really do rings and stuff like that, or bracelets, but get you some staple accessories, a couple cute shoes if you can, and yeah, really just some jeans, some cute tops, some staple stuff. And what you do is you like mix it and match it and rotate it so that it lasts the whole semester. Just a couple pair of jeans, a couple shirts will last you the whole semester, you know, in addition to whatever you have already. And yeah, just by mixing it and making it look different each time you wear it, like that's the goal. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I just bought, and then I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I just pulled out of my drawers that I'm going to try to mix and mingle with these. I only have 3 days worth of classes, which is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I'm only going to be picking out 3 outfits, and you guys are going to help me out, figure out how I should be looking. So yeah, but what I have here is some new stuff and some old stuff that I just got. Also, the first thing with picking out your clothes for a week or a couple of days ahead of time, check the weather. So it's like the end of August. I expected it to get cold. I bought like a lot of sweaters and jackets, like 5 sweaters and jackets, but I checked the weather and it's gonna be like the 90s and 100s all week where I am. So it's gonna be burning up, so I'm not gonna need any of these sweaters or jackets this week. So I'm gonna just move these. I have these cute jeans. I really like these because of the bottom of them. Like, I have not seen like many jeans like this. I mean, now I'm starting to see more jeans like this, but I've had these for a little bit of time, and I really like these because I didn't see a lot of jeans like these. So these are definitely some of my favorite, and they make my butt look real good. So I love these. A lot of my jeans are kind of there. First of all my jeans are ripped. I do need to invest in some non-ripped jeans, but I haven't at this moment. So all my jeans are ripped and they're blue. So I also have these, which I also really like these because they are, which are more commonly seen. They're just, you know, straight like at the ankle. And these also really fit me super cute. These I've already had. So these I just bought from Ross. So these are super cute as well. I think they are light blue, and again that like straight at the ankle bottom. So, and these also fit me real cute too. So some tops that I just bought. So this was one, and I think I got this from American One. I got this from American One. I thought this was pretty cute. I don't know. It just kind of stood out to me, like, so yeah. I have this. For some reason, I'm really liking shirts that are like fit like at the waist. I don't know. Just like perfectly fit, like not going over, you know, down onto my hips or my butt or anything. So shirts like this and shirts that have like these like curls at the end. I don't know. Anyways, it's just a plain shirt that I got from Ross. Just another super simple but cute item that, you know, I can wear several times with several different things and it will still look super cute. So I also got this from American One. I'm, again, because it's gonna be in the hundreds all week, I'm not even gonna like, we're gonna just put this to the side. And I got this, like I seen this brand a couple times in some of the discount stores that I've been in. It's called On Fire. The brand is On Fire, and they make like clothes, like shirts and stuff with like black girls on it. So yeah, I've seen a couple other options, and I think that this was my favorite out of the ones that I've seen. So I just decided to pick it up, and I'm gonna rock this with something, I'm not sure, but yeah. And then I have some old shirts that I brought out, some tank tops. I actually have not wore this one yet, but I'm going to. I don't know where I got this from, but I'm going to be wearing this probably this week. I don't know. This, which you guys have probably seen me in. I like this. I think I'll wear this about 3 or 4 times. So I'm probably going to wear it again before I retire it. Yeah, at least once. So yeah. I have this shirt as well, which is like off the shoulder. It's like a sleeve. It's super cute, tight, crop top. I really like it. This was given to me as a gift actually. So I don't know where this is from. I have this tank top. And there's another tank top I bought. It was this one and another one that are both crop tops and tank tops that are super cute. I don't know where the other one is though. I wore that one. I did not wear this one. So yeah, we're gonna just see what we can do with this. I mean, I only have 3 days to pick out clothes for, so yeah. Oh, also, so my crush bought this for me. Yeah, so I'm gonna wear this. It's actually really large, so it's really big. So I'm gonna probably wear this as a dress. Yeah, it's cute, but it's just really big. Like, I don't know what he was doing when he bought it, but I like it, and I'm glad he bought it for me. So I'm gonna wear this probably since I'm gonna wear it as a dress, you know, I'm probably gonna wear this on Wednesday, because Wednesday where I am is gonna be the hottest day. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wear this on Wednesday. Hopefully it don't look crazy on me though, because it is really big. But yeah. Okay, so we got Wednesday out the way. Alright, so Monday is going to be 99. So almost just as hot as 100. So maybe some light jeans since it's going to be so hot. Yeah, maybe we can do these jeans. And then I might have to get some more of my other clothes out because I actually don't know what top I'll wear with this. Maybe out of the ones I no, I don't think so. Let me see, let me grab some more shirts. Okay, so I found this in my drawer. My mom bought this for me and I actually only wore this once. It's a bodysuit. Yeah, it's a bodysuit and it has like a hood. And I mean, it fits cute, you know. It has like a little cleavage out. I might button the button though since it's school. But I think that this actually would be cute together. And then as far as the shoes, okay, I'm not sure. But I have these shoes that I have not worn before. So I was thinking maybe these. I actually didn't shop for any sandals. Yeah, but I have these. I have like these, like just black sandals, but I don't think I want to wear those with these. And then, oh yeah, let me show you guys the shoes that I got from Journeys. So I got these all white Adidas, which I wore once already. Oh, well yeah, you can see because I got some. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that. But anyways, I got these all white Adidas. I got these all white Converse. So yeah, super cute. Yes, I like Converse. And then I got these. I have not worn these yet, but I do have these white Adidas. So I have these as well. The Superstar one with the gold on it. So yeah, I have these as well. So, and I don't think I want to wear like any tennis shoes the first day. So I don't think I'm gonna wear these now. Anyways, I think that with this outfit, I'm gonna wear these sandals. This will be my first day look with my first day hair. Yes, make sure you check out the video of my first day hair, and I'm gonna do my first day makeup too. But yep, so I think that's what I'm gonna do for Monday. For Tuesday, I think it's gonna be like 89. Yeah, 89, or was it 98? It's gonna be hot. So do one of my darker pairs of jeans, and I'm probably gonna do my my straight leg ones. And let's see what shirt. Maybe we can do, it's gonna be hot, but maybe we can do like this black crop top with it. Yeah, that'll be cute, cute, cute. See, I don't want to be hot. I don't want to be hot. Let me see what shoes I can wear. I don't know. No, because I'm not quite ready to pull this out yet. So I'm not going to do the Adidas for a while, probably. Or maybe this shirt. What do you guys think? I mean, I know it's like it's a plain shirt. I just picked it up. It was not expensive. I think I got this from Ross for like $7 or something like that. And maybe with these. No. You know what? How about we do this shirt? Maybe you know, but at the same time, I haven't been to the gym. My stomach is kind of out there a little too much. And this is like a real crop top, so maybe not this. Okay. Alright. Maybe this shirt. Let's see. I don't know. Alright, you guys, so okay, so for Tuesday, I'm thinking this shirt. It has like oranges and lemons on it, with these pants with the straight bottoms, and either these shoes or these shoes. So I mean, both really go with the outfit pretty well. Both really go with the outfit pretty well. But I'll do one of these for sure. And then for Wednesday, right, for Wednesday, it's gonna be this as a dress, and probably just these shoes. These like black sandals. So yeah, you guys, as you can see, I think that I used how many of my new items? I actually only used 2 of my new items for my first week of school. And so yeah, I will re-wear these items obviously, but I'm gonna mix it up. So yeah, that's what I'll be wearing for school for my first week. I hope everybody's first week, I know a lot of people already started, so I hope you guys' week is going great. If you haven't started, you start late like me. Yeah, I hope everybody has a great semester or a great year, and yeah, try to get good grades, like stay on top of your assignments, get you a planner, do what you gotta do to pass all your classes, like seriously. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for the rest of my get ready for school series. So I got some hair for you guys, I got some makeup looks, I got some outfits. I'm actually going to vlog my first day of school tomorrow, so I got that for you guys coming too. Hopefully my teachers don't trip, hopefully. So yeah, I got that all coming for you guys. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, thanks for helping me get my clothes together. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm Janeahsimone, this is Janeah's Journey. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.